Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a live Aternos server and OP permissions so you can install plugins and run admin commands. Upload the Warp plugin to the server's plugins folder and restart the server to load it. Once done, join the server as you and test basic plugin commands to verify it responded. Make sure to check the plugin's default config file because default permissions and command names may require small edits before creating your first warp. With the plugin active, create a warp using the plugin set command, for example /warp set home or /set warp spawn. Configure how warps behave by editing config. IML, set cooldown, cost, and whether warps are protected, then save changes and reload the plugin or restart. Assign permission nodes to groups so only intended players can create or use warps. Once configured, stand at the exact destination spot and set the warp so players arrive oriented and safe from suffocation or fall damage. Finish by thoroughly testing every warp. Log in as different ranks to confirm permissions, use the warp commands, and observe where players spawn. If a warp doesn't work, inspect the server console for plugin or permission errors and run a plugin reload or server restart. Make sure plugin version matches your server's Minecraft version. Mismatches often break commands. As a troubleshooting tip, back up and then reset the plugin's config to defaults. Then reapply only necessary changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.